Hey everyone, today we'll be looking at how to add audio files to Google Sites. It's a little trickier than you might think. First of all, you might imagine that if your file lives in Google Drive that you could just grab it from right here and use the Drive tool, but that doesn't work unfortunately. So here is our little trick. First thing, we'll need a Google site prepared, and I'm going to assume you already have one. You can see I have one right here. The next thing you'll need is your audio file. So here in this folder I have a couple of different ones. Here's an MP3 file, another MP3, and this is an M4A podcast recording. So our first step is to come in and make sure that we have this set to share so that everything is ready to go. And here you can see we've reset this to anyone with the link, and then we want to copy that sharing link. Let's do that here with this Play Golf file. Right click, select share, and then set this file to not be restricted but to be anyone with the link, and then we copy the sharing link. From here we'll jump back to our audio for Google Sites, and then if you just double click out here in space you'll see this come up, and then we select the embed option right here, but we're not going to use the embed code. We just paste in the link from the file that we prepared, and then we click insert. And now that file will show up here in this kind of big ugly gray window. You'll want to resize that, and I did have some little changes I needed to make. It tends to put this right at the top whether you select that region or not, so you'll have to watch for that to make sure that you get it how you want it to be. I'm going to drag mine so it's as far to the left as possible, and then from there be sure to test your file. So a little bit unusual there. If we do that one more time just to make sure we have it, come back here, we'll select this file, right click, choose share. We set this to be anyone with the link, and then we copy the link. We'll jump back to this area here, click below this. Now recall I mentioned that could be an issue, so we'll double click here. We choose the embed option, paste the link we just grabbed, and then insert the file. This time it went below, doesn't always do that. So then you can drag this to be a more appropriate size. You don't need that giant gray window. Get that set up. From here we can add a text box to describe what it is. First one was called AYP, and so I'll move this up here to be the title for that one. The second one down here was about playing golf. And so we'll grab this one and pull it down right here so that we should be able to get that right in between those two. So now we've got some headings about what the audio files are. Okay, I hope that helped. Kind of an interesting way of adding audio to Google Sites. Meanwhile, have a great day.